Did you know America's most prolific contract killer lived as a perfect suburban father for decades? Richard Kuklinski appeared to be the ideal family man in New Jersey. He coached Little League, attended school plays, and never missed a family dinner. But behind this mask lived the mob's most feared assassin. They called him the Iceman. He killed over 100 people using guns, poison, even crossbows. His signature move was freezing bodies to confuse investigators about time of death. The most chilling part, he could murder someone in the morning and help his daughter with homework that evening. For 30 years, police hunted dozens of different killers across multiple states. They had no idea it was all one man. Finally, undercover agents caught him on tape accepting a contract hit. During his confession, investigators realized their worst nightmare. All those unsolved cases, all those different murder weapons and methods. It was Richard Kuklinski the entire time.